Secure your family's future with life insurance. Life is unpredictable, but your family's financial future doesn't have to be. At Prism Insurance Agency, we help you plan ahead with reliable life insurance coverage. Ensure your family is protected with a payout that covers expenses and debts. Choose a plan that meets your needs, short-term coverage or lifelong protection. Provide financial stability for your loved ones in case of unexpected loss. Ease the financial burden during a difficult time. Give your family the support they need with a life insurance policy designed for you. A strong future starts with a solid plan. Life insurance provides the financial security your loved ones need, no matter what happens. To learn more, visit our website, www.myprisminsurance.com, or text us at 951-243, California license number 0I06643.